Let me tell you something. Have you ever noticed that even though you think you suffer from erectile dysfunction, you still wake up with that morning erection? Many times, erectile dysfunction isn't as serious a health issue as people think. We often turn to quick solutions like medications full of side effects, but do these pills really solve the problem? I'm going to show you a more permanent way, and it all starts with understanding what causes an erection. In today's video, we're going to explore the causes of erectile dysfunction and discover some foods that are essential for a natural and lasting treatment for this issue. So I hope you stick around until the end of the video, as it's enlightening and will help you identify other causes of erectile dysfunction and how you can reverse the situation. The secret, my dear, lies in a substance called nitric oxide. That name might sound complex, but know that it's a powerful ally. Nitric oxide helps relax the blood vessels' muscles, improving circulation throughout the body. This effect is great for the heart and circulatory system as a whole. And guess what? It also helps produce testosterone, the hormone that plays a crucial role in erectile health. Now pay attention, because here comes an interesting point. Nitric oxide also regulates our stress hormone, cortisol, and helps improve sleep. Stress, dear, is one of the villains of sexual health. Our body has two systems, the sympathetic and parasympathetic systems. For a healthy erection, the parasympathetic system needs to be active, but stress activates the sympathetic one, making things more challenging. This is why many men who have normal morning erections aren't really suffering from erectile dysfunction. During sleep, cortisol levels decrease, and the parasympathetic system takes over, facilitating an erection. Therefore, if stress is reduced, this problem tends to improve naturally. Another important point is that sleep problems, like apnea, increase the risk of erectile dysfunction. And if you're diabetic, this issue is even more common, as diabetes can damage the endothelial cells in blood vessels, which are primarily responsible for producing nitric oxide. And look at that. Nitric oxide also helps make the body more sensitive to insulin, which helps control diabetes. So how can we increase nitric oxide in the body? One way is by practicing nasal breathing, as nitric oxide is produced in the nasal cavities. When we breathe through our nose, this nitric oxide reaches the lungs and spreads throughout the body. Additionally, regular physical exercise not only helps reduce stress, but also improves blood vessel health and boosts nitric oxide production. Want to maintain erection health? Then get moving. Now let's explore some foods that are very rich in natural nitrates, which the body transforms into nitric oxide. Let's dive a little deeper into these wonderful foods. They're true treasures of nature, helping not only with erectile health, but with overall well-being. Each of them brings nutrients that help raise nitric oxide levels, improving circulation and naturally and effectively combating erectile dysfunction. Spinach. Spinach is one of the champions of nitrates. These compounds are converted into nitric oxide in the body, helping to dilate blood vessels and increase blood flow. Spinach is also rich in magnesium, which helps relax muscles and improve blood flow. Additionally, it contains folate, an essential vitamin for cardiovascular health. This leafy green can be easily incorporated into salads, juices, or stir-fries in your daily routine, and is a great ally for sexual and heart health. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is another food rich in natural nitrates that helps keep circulation in check. It contains potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and magnesium, which is essential for relaxing blood vessel muscles. And there's more. Swiss chard is also a great source of antioxidants, which help protect the body's cells, including those in the blood vessels. Swiss chard can be consumed in stir-fries, salads, or even soups. Beetroot. Good old beetroot is a powerful food. Rich in nitrates, which quickly convert into nitric oxide, it enhances circulation and boosts energy, making it ideal for giving that boost to sexual health. Studies suggest that drinking beet juice can raise nitric oxide levels in the body within minutes. Beetroot is also packed with antioxidants like betalain, which fights inflammation and protects the cardiovascular system. You can eat beetroot raw, in salads, roasted, or in juices. Dark chocolate. Now, who would have thought dark chocolate would be on this list, right? But remember, it must be high cocoa chocolate, over 70%, because it's rich in flavonoids. These antioxidant compounds help boost blood flow and improve vessel health. Flavonoids also increase nitric oxide production, which is excellent for cardiovascular and erectile health. A small portion of dark chocolate a day is enough to bring benefits without overdoing the calories. Citrus fruits, like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help protect the body's cells from damage and improve circulation. Additionally, vitamin C is essential for nitric oxide production, helping to keep blood vessels healthy and supporting erections. Incorporating oranges, lemons, or grapefruits into your daily routine is a great way to strengthen vascular health. A fresh juice or a few slices at breakfast can make a big difference. Watermelon. Watermelon, that refreshing and delicious fruit. Watermelon is rich in citrulline, an amino acid that, when consumed, turns into arginine in the body, increasing nitric oxide levels and promoting blood vessel dilation. This process is essential for better circulation and can positively impact sexual health. Watermelon is also hydrating and helps combat fluid retention, benefiting blood pressure. Enjoyed fresh, it's perfect for hot days and even supports erectile health. These foods are gifts from nature that, when consumed regularly, help naturally increase blood flow and improve blood vessel health. Plus, they offer many benefits for the heart and the entire body. So, my dear, enjoy these delights in the most natural way possible and take care of your health and vitality. Now pay attention to what to avoid. Sugar and alcohol. Sugar can form plaque in arteries, damaging endothelial cells, while alcohol reduces nitric oxide production. Remember to get good rest, as a good night's sleep helps control stress and improves erectile health. And if you're on any medication and notice changes, talk to your doctor, as certain medications can temporarily interfere. So go ahead, take care of yourself, eat wisely, breathe deeply, and exercise. These are valuable tips, and over time you'll see the difference in your health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Taking care of yourself is taking care of your well-being and your life. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.